The sea, guys. I gonna point it to you guys. Hang on, guys. So that is the sea, guys. So I will show you in a minute, guys. If you can see that, guys, that is the sea. It's recording. Yes. Look at that, guys. We're here in the cliff. Oh my God. I'm wearing a flip-flop, guys. Oh my God. And what's the over there, guys? I really don't know. We will see in a minute. I'm not convinced, guys, that I can go over there. Oh my God. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, and watch my video, guys. I've been working hard in my YouTube, guys, but no money. I'm working hard in TikTok, but no money as well. Never mind. So, guys, we're here in the cliff. So, that is the sea, guys. You can see that, guys. Wow. Got boat over there. Oh my God. It's scary, guys. Look. How many deep away from me. Oh my God. It's very scary. You see that, guys? Behind me, guys, that is the sea, guys. You know? Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, guys. Wow. I think, guys, I'm quite scared now, guys. I'm in my own hair, by the way, guys. You know? I'm in my own. I think, guys, I'm not gonna carry on, guys, because this is absolutely scary, guys. Look. You know? That is the water, guys. You know that, guys, it's only one. I don't know if you can see. I cannot see it, guys, because of the screen in my phone. It's unbelievable, the view, guys. Look. That boat over there is coming, guys. I cannot see at all, but I'm recording, guys. And that is the lighthouse, guys. Here, guys, look. Guys, who's live on the net in there, guys? You know? Just hang on, guys. Hang on. So, guys, this is my balcony, guys. You know, we got some flower over there. That was is lily. And then that is my swimming pool, guys. And then this is the canopy, guys, that this is the finished product, guys, of my canopy. So I need to get some table here and flower and light to make it look nice. And look at my garden, guys. Look at that, guys. You know, you can build another house. So it's look nice, isn't it, guys? I bring that, guys, because I need to clean them. So yeah. So it's look nice, isn't it, guys? So what? Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, this is nice, isn't it, guys? Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Nice, guys. Guys, it's a super moon tonight. So I'm here in the top of, well, I'm here in the roof looking for super moon, but I cannot see anything. So I don't know what happened. It's 9 o'clock now, 9:04 now, but supposed to be is 8:58. It's coming, but it's nothing there yet. I don't know. Look at it, guys. And then what you can see over there, I don't know if you can see that. This light, that is the lighthouse. That one. And then, guys, what you can see in there, that is the sea. So now it's 9:05 in the evening here. And And then guys, what you can see, that one is Nomad Bay, new development. Is everything in there, apartment, town